Hello, Chris. I received your question here. Some students will send me a picture of their work, and then I can point out anything that they need to be correcting. Assume the annual salary of police officers are normally distributed with a mean of 54,000 and a standard deviation of 3,000. So if I just drew a normal curve with that information, that's supposed to be straight. And so the mean here, right in the middle, is 54,000. And the standard deviation, they say, is each, one standard deviation. One standard deviation is 3,000, I guess, dollars. Okay, so given that, determine the percentage of police officers with an annual salary of at least $57,570. And they give you these two figures. I went ahead and we need table 2. Okay, so we want those with at least 57,570. So we want so on our normal curve here, I guess if you 57,570. We want to find this area. It says at least that salary, so we want the area to the right of that. So it's a matter of finding this area. Well, to find this area, we need to use this table. To use this table, we need the z-score. Well, we have the information. If you have the mean and you have the standard deviation, and we have this, we can calculate the z-score so we can use our table. And so how do you do that? Hopefully you've read, you subtract these two values and divide by the standard deviation. Will standardize this or give us a z-score. So the z-score will be the 57,570 minus the 54,000 over the standard deviation. And let's see, I've already punched that in the calculator, and it comes out to 1.19. So standardize this, and I get that z-score. And if I come up here now, here's 1.1, and I need to come all the way over to 1.19. So if I come way over here, I guess what I get here, I've got to pick out the right one. Let's see. It's 0.8. Let's see, what is it? 0.883. That's it there. It's a little hard to see with this small table. But if you come straight across here, 1.19, it's that. And so if you look at this table, though, it always gives you the area to the left. And so that table says the area to the left here is 0.883. Remember, the total area under this normal curve is 1. If we know the area to the left here, then we can find the area to the right by subtracting. So the area we want will be 1 minus 0.8830. So you need to find that difference, and that's the answer we want. Now do note they want this in percents. So you need to take this answer, subtract and then convert it to a decimal, to a percent, and that's what you'll enter here. I want to let you do part of the work. Hope this helps.